Now the unit's powered up, it's done its initial synchronization and we've put in the settings. We now get this home screen. So on the home screen it's telling us our default temperature for the radiator circuit, our current tank temperature, our current water pressure and our current outdoor temperature. So the next thing that needs to happen, we need to turn on the hot water and the heating. So to do this, we press the left hand dial and we scroll to operation. We click into operation and we can see by default from a new power up, both functions are turned off. So if we turn on by using the right dial, we press the right dial to move on to the next one and we turn on and then we hit the left hand button. If we now scroll to our main heating zone and we click, we can now select a temperature. Now as we did in the setup, we set this for weather compensation, so we can now have the ability to alter the offset of the graph. We just wait for that to come back. So based on the graph that we set and the current outdoor temperature, the machine is calculating a temperature of 48 degrees. By adjusting the temperature, we can add on a figure to either increase or decrease the setting. We're just moving the graph. So when that comes back now, we should be seeing about 43. Equally, if we go back, we can now go to the tank and we can see our current temperature in blue and the set point temperature. Now as we've set this up on schedule and reheat, and we haven't actually put a schedule in yet, we need to go into that. So if we now press the left hand dial, we get different options and we can scroll to the schedule. By selecting the first day and pressing the left hand dial and selecting edit, we can now with the right dial start to put in some settings. So for example, if I put into this one 6 AM, and we're going to go to an eco set point, which we'll get to in a few minutes. We select again and we can now put in the second time of the day. So if we said 8 AM, and this time we're going to change to stop. So what we're asking the machine to do here, between 6 and 8 AM, we want it to be at this eco temperature. We click onto the next setting and we can put a setting in for later on in the day, perhaps when the family's home. So if we said, say 5 PM, and again we want to go to eco, we can set a comfort temperature, which we set earlier at 60 degrees and the eco was 50. So we can do either, whatever suits. Again, we go on and now we're telling it what time we want it to stop being at eco. So 7 PM. We now press the left hand dial and press it again, and now we can go to copy the day and we can select Tuesday, paste, Wednesday, paste, so on and so forth. I'll do every day for this example. Paste. That's the schedule set up. We hit the back button, back again. We're still at 48 degrees. We can hit the home button.